Hey fellow looters, this is Muricalife coming at you with another Lootcrate unboxing. This is the laboratory for November. Came really late. Right now it's December 11th. I live in Florida and I'm just getting it today. So not too happy about that. I wrote Lootcrate a couple emails and they're just saying that they're busy and sorry for the inconvenience. So whatever. This is the November laboratory Lootcrate unboxing. Looks like we got a BioShock figure, little sister vinyl figure. Y'all can see that. It's from BioShock. Let's check out, see how detailed that is. Pretty cool if you're into BioShock, which I'm not, but if you like it, I guess it's something you can put on your shelf or whatever. Here's this month's pin. It says screw your lab safety, I want to have superpowers. Kind of like that pin. Here's this month's shirt. Not sure where this is from, but it's a pretty cool shirt, if y'all can see that. I like the design, the 3 aliens on it. I'll have to look that up, where that's from, I'm not quite sure. I heard it was supposed to be Breaking Bad, but I'm not sure what we're getting for Breaking Bad. Which was an amazing show. This looks like a cup. Los Polos Hermanos. That's the cup for Better Call Saul. So that's I guess the Breaking Bad version of this. It says BPA free. Got a little cup. Not too thrilled about that. I wouldn't mind having like a beaker shot glass or something for Breaking Bad. That would have been cooler. Same old book of crap that you're getting. Let me see where that shirt came from. Westworld is where the shirt came from. Never seen it, so I might have to check that out. It looks like they gave me a $60 gift card to HelloFresh. Never ordered anything from that website, so I might have to try that out. Here's the straw to the cup. And it looks like we got a Marvel poster card. I believe it folds out into 4. So I'll check that out. Actually, it's just 4 postcards. You got Carnage, Venom, Green Goblin, and of course Spidey. And that looks like about it. It says you can build your own laboratory. It looks like it's a bunch of things about labs. Not too thrilled about that box. Besides the artwork. Pretty disappointed with this month's yet again. It looks like they once again got my loot and all I got was a crate. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. Leave your thoughts on what you got this month and your thoughts on why is everything coming so damn late. I expect mine to be like at the end of the month, not the end or the halfway through the middle of next month. So leave your guys' thoughts on that, and I appreciate y'all watching.